Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can see all of your old emails in Outlook. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Outlook application on your computer. And now, after opening the Outlook application, you will see so many options here. You just simply have to click on this filter option in order to view your old emails. After clicking into the filter option, you will see this sort button here. Click into that sort button. And after going into the sort button, you will see this sort by date, category, from size, importance, and subject option. Just simply select the date, which is already selected in mine. And here, just simply select oldest on the top by clicking into this oldest on the top option. All of your old emails can be seen at the top. Just simply select the old email that you want to view. It's very easy steps. You can easily see all of your old emails in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.